Alright, we have a version of Trackmaster Revolutions Duck. I have it in black, this dark green, and this kind of lime green comes with 5 interchangeable faces. I don't know if I pronounced that right. This kind of choked face, and this one is kind of happy. Now, let me tell you, I'm gonna hold this one, and here is another one. Maybe you notice the lips, the mouth is, this one is open a little bit, this one is a little closer, this one is happy, and the one is smiley and the other happy. And we have sad dog face. Now they are just come printed as they look. Look at this one. This is angry. He's mad. Now this is warning. These are shocking household parts, and here's one of the shells for duck Trackmaster Revolutions. And let me show you around this one too. This is the black. You know what, I like this color, the kind of lime green, but anyways, because we are used to the dark color, but this is the dark color we have. Look at the handrails. Okay, so here's the other one. Comes with the buffers installed. The faces will come loose. Now let me show you. This you need to press hard, not really hard, but they snap in place. You can change that face. I'm gonna put this one here on this other one. So I also have another Trackmaster Revolutions model that will be hope same day or next day ready. I'm doing the final touches. Now I did print this blue. This was a test. I was testing the colors. See that gap over there is not shown. That was a prototype, and here is the final result. I'm going to show you in a minute this running and compare with Percy. You can grab Percy Trackmaster Revolutions chassis. You know, these are very cheap. These are inexpensive, really cheap. Even you can get the parts from another model. So same, we're going to use that for the next project. Now I'm going to show you how I replace the face. I'm going to use a kind of a knife here, blade. See how easy it goes. Now we have chocolate face. See how it snaps really good. With this demo, I'm going to put the sad face on this one. One moment. See, I'm not editing the video. I'm not cutting anything. I'm not cuts. So you see how easy this. Look at that, beautiful. How easy this thing. Now, moment of truth. We're gonna test. I'm gonna test this mad, angry duck. There is duck, and you can screw it with, you know, same way as Trackmaster Revolutions. Look at that beautiful duck. We have a duck Trackmaster Revolutions working model. It's better than, you know, there's no Trackmaster Revolution, or maybe there is one available, I don't know. Anyways, let me know in the comments. So we have chassis. I'm going to test this chassis. I know it's from Thomas or Gordon, or despite the design. One moment. So we're going to compare the height. It's the same height, or maybe just half millimeter less. Let me see. I think it's the same. Yes, same height. So there will be no problems with underpasses, bridge, or underpasses. You know, this works great. All these Trackmaster Revolutions doc is ready. Check the link in the description, link below. I know you guys want to see more. I should do this real quick, but I already have 5 minutes, not cut. I'm going to swap this now. The design is good because the tanks are extended all the way to the end, so we have plenty of room. But now that we are here, there is this guy. You remember this guy? Now it's in Trackmaster Revolutions, still in work in progress. But Trackmaster Revolutions, okay, we're gonna swap the chassis. Remember Trackmaster Revolutions, all the chassis are the same. Now I'm gonna talk about the splashers. Splashers, or this one right here. I know it shouldn't be there. I know it should be right here. But since we are more talking about this part here, it does not make sense. I know it doesn't make sense being not on the alignment to the wheel, but the top is the one that I'm interested in. It will kind of look kind of weird, but anyways, my opinion is that's the way the top should look. And you're gonna notice the Trackmaster Revolution, some of these have the splashers even over here. Some of those, not all. So that's Trackmaster Revolutions Duck Black. You know what? I noticed that there is I think it's called Pioneer tankers or engines, that they are black. So I decided to print it black. Now, one of the reasons this green kind of lime green, it's not lime green, I printed this it's because I like this color. Here are the colors I have, close to Percy, but it's kind of a little darker. This one is a little brighter, clear. The shade is better. I like this shade, but anybody, there are different opinions. Trackmaster Revolutions Dock available. Link in the description. Check my eBay store. I wanted to make it available. Now remember, it comes with 5 faces, 5 interchangeable faces, as you've seen in this video. Easy to swap. You know what? I like this angry face, and there's one choked face. This one is sad, and we have 2 happy or smiley faces. And what is the other one? Choked, surprised, or whatever, right here. All right, let's say check the link in the description. I don't know if I should put this blue available. Let me know in the comments if this looks good or not. This one was a prototype, might not even fit this face. Oh, it fits in there. Yeah, maybe I have it blue. If you want any other color, let me know. Maybe I can put it in another color. There.